yun nga, magawa ko ng reason, magawa ko ng dahilan para hindi siya gawin. And focusing on that, why things cannot happen instead of being positive, di ba? Instead na maging positive ako of believing that they are possible talaga. Talaga namang pwedeng mangyari, kaya lang kasi gumagawa lang ako ng reason kung bakit hindi siya pwedeng mangyari. So, yun yung struggle or yung challenge na experience ko. This has lead to inconsistency. So, dahil nga doon, hindi ko na gagawa yung mga pinaplano ko kasi nga inconsistent. Di ba? In pursuing my goals, I'm ready for change and have been diving into self-help books to guide me on this journey. I'm determined to make positive change and I'm looking forward to sharing this process with you. So, yun guys.